Yo, what's going on YouTube? This is Technical Side. In here in today's video, today I'm gonna show you how to play and configure your Fightcade emulator to play all the old games like Yu-Gi-Oh games, like King of Fighters and such games. So first, let's download Fightcade. Now I will show you how to add ROMs to the game, to the emulator. If you have Windows, macOS, it's for all of them. So for me, I will go with Windows. Well, I already have this. Go to download, go to programs, I will install it. Click yes. Okay, give it some seconds. After DirectX, so let's open Fightcade. You can sign in from here or create an account from here. Just sign in. Let's search for a game. For example, let's Zero in the Street Fighter game, but nothing is gonna happen. You see the ROM is not found. Nothing in here. So let's try another game to show you. We'll test the game. See, it gives me an error. Gives me an error because the game ROM is not found. So nothing. We'll do a step. I will leave you a link in the description of this JSON file. So compressed this file. This one. this copies the desktop, so you could see everything. Right click. The folder. I will copy everything in this folder. I will copy everything. I will go to documents, go to Fightcade folder, go to emulator, and pass the JSON files in here. Alright, so just close this. Just close Fightcade. Let's open Fightcade again. Let's search for a game. For example, let's go for King of Fighters. Any game you want. I just want to add this game so you can play it later. For example, we'll just add this. Join. Now, as you see, it's searching for the required ROMs. It's gonna download the ROM for you, so you don't need to do anything. Just click join and it will download all the ROMs for you. Give it some time. You see the ROM has been downloaded. I will try the game. I will test it. You see the game is working. Now I will show you how to
say that shit like you just got your motherfucker.
control.
2, 3.
You have a
Okay, 94. Confirm rolling 95. We're placing 96. Engagement in 97. Now goes in.
I will plug my controller to the PC. Go to map game inputs. Now, if you want the keyboard, just select a player. You can use the keyboard or the joystick. If you don't have a joystick, use the keyboard. If you have a joystick, it's better to use this keyboard. You can set the inputs from here. For example, I will select selects in here. Select start. Or let me restart that because I have plugged the controller after running the game.
Here we go.
Let's close this. Test the game. Go to inputs, map game inputs. Select one. Select joystick. We see now it's working. We'll bar, I will use this. We'll use the arrows. Use any buttons you want. I just said okay. Now I will use my joystick. It's working.
The King of Fighters! Round 1! ぼちぼち始めるかのう。レディーゴ
Well, that's it, guys. So now you just go to this icon. You can search for any game you like in here. Any game. You will just click and join. It will start downloading. Easy peasy. You will find the JSONs like in the description or in the comment section, so download this from there. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more upcoming videos and tutorials like this. If you have any tutorials idea or something in your mind, just